Okay guys, the tile is here. Thank you, Zia, for this gorgeous tile. And we pack it very carefully sideways. And then we've already started laying it out. So the cool thing about this tile is there's so many different ways that you can arrange the pattern. So this is one of our favorites. And then this is one of our favorites. And I think we're gonna go with this one. Because it's such a small space and we want it'll draw your eye upwards, right?
Yeah, they were like Hosanna arms. Whereas if we had a larger space, I think you could play this out. Since we have such a tight space, you're really not going to be able to see the sort of sunburst effects.
Right.
Very fully, almost maybe just one, sort of in each one.
Yeah.
So I think, yeah, drawing the eyes heavenward is a lot of what this entire space is about. So why wouldn't you do the Hosanna arms?
I like Hosanna arms. And then these are little spaces. So this will give us an idea of how much grout we're gonna see, and we're gonna do white grout in between. Looks good. Okay, this is Jerry. What's your last name, Jerry?
Jimmy.
Let's do that. Let's just keep going, because that's just what happened. Hi, Jimmy. What's your last name?
Orozco.
Orozco. Okay, so Jimmy's gonna put all the tile in for us. And he's wicked excited about it.
Yep. It's gonna look great.
It is gonna look great.
Yes.
Yeah, Jimmy's worked with this kind of tile a ton, so it's gonna go all the way from there, all the way up. Boop. So we'll check in on it later.
Yep.
So if it looks good, it's because of him, and if it doesn't, it's usually probably my fault. Yeah. Okay, bye. I love that you're literally drawing on the wall.
It's the fun of having
That's how you visualize it.
Yeah.
So then
then
this
it would
is
just be the
like
cutoff.
is like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're making it just more confusing.
No, this one's wrong. You can't read it.
So this is where I'll be. So the stove will be here, and so because of that, we wanted a tile
Yeah.
that was really bright, and photographs well, video as well. And then that's why we kept the cabinets very clean and simple, so that everything would be balanced, you know. And we really like this tile because it has this sort of Art Deco kind of feeling to it. So it feels kind of old school, but it's kind of this fresh modern take on it. And I love the hex tile because it makes me think of the tiles back in India. And cement tiles as well.